And they're on their way. We have Catch Me. If you can, the Rose for your lead, moving up on the outside. Hoy, Jasper, surprise call is by the rail. Morning na, sir. Moving up to take fourth, then comes Shurna. Red Lotus comes next, running by the rail. Is I Want Justice, followed by Changing Times. Then comes Dugos Charm, followed by Transformer. And Chase Charlie is running at the tail of the field as they round the last 450. Catch Me If You Can in front, running at the center by the rail. Surprise call. Morning na, sir. Moving up on the outside, in between runners is Hoy Jasper with the last 200 meters more to run. Catch Me If You Can this time by about 3 lengths over Hoy Jasper in second. Morning na, sir drops back in third. And finally, Catch Me If You Can. Hoy Jasper, then comes Morning na, sir. 3A Red Lotus, Changing Times, number 9. Chase Charlie, there goes number 1, Surprise Call.